Welcome to Wawa's Food Adventures again. This is me, Wawa, obviously. Today we're going to be cooking this bad boy, spare ribs with Filipino twist. We will be glazing this with the ingredients that you can find easily at home, especially if you're in the Philippines. We will bake this and then glaze it, and we're going to make this sticky and amazing and delicious. Please stay tuned, watch my video from the very beginning until the end. We're going to have a little bit of mukbang at the end. So guys, if you're excited, I'm very, very excited as well. Let's get this started. Guys, here it is. I've never been excited in my life. So it's actually my first time trying this dish or trying this recipe with my own twist, of course. I followed Franklin, the barbecue guy from Texas, from Austin, I think. So here, there's another camera here. See, sticky like I promised. God. Oh my God. It's very tender, sticky, sweet, a bit spicy. You get a little bit of sourness from the vinegar, and what, salty. It's moist. It's everything that you need in a pork ribs. spicy. I like everything spicy, like I said. So here goes. And this time I'm gonna have more salt. Okay. I'm speechless. I'm gonna make a combo. So pork ribs, jalapeno, sauce, guys, thank you for joining me. Again, see you next week. If you want to recreate something at home, again, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I hope to see you next week. Thank you guys. I'm gonna finish this off.